Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone. Doesn't matter what iPhone you have because both iPhone have same identical navigation. Okay, to do reset, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down and here you can see general. Now go to general. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you can see reset and it is all content and settings. If we reset, so you can see reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, and reset location and privacy. Okay, and this is the reset. You can see it is all content and settings. Okay, if we tap erase all content and settings, so here you can see erase this iPhone. Erasing will remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. So you can see the following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. You can see apps and data of size 9.61 GB. So you can see now you have option to continue or not now. Okay, now tap on continue. So you can see passcode for this iPhone. Enter the passcode used to unlock this iPhone. Okay, now enter it. So here you can see erase iPhone. Are you sure you want to continue? All media, data and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. Now tap on erase iPhone. So as you can see guys, it might take some time. You can see now resetting is taking effect. You can see now the iPhone is resetting. Kindly wait. As you can see, again processing. And do not do any other operation during reset. So as you can see now the iPhone is successfully reset. So guys, this is the method to reset iPhone easily guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.